Hey guys, I'm Lokesh Kudal again with a brand new video, and today I'm gonna tell you how to recover your phone if it gets wet. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now this is the most important problem that we faced about kind of like in months or years, because most of the times we just throw our phones or just accidentally just get it into the water, like because we just use it into the washrooms, or if we just go to washroom when just sitting in the toilet, we just use it because we can't live without a phone. Now actually this is the problem. The first thing that you have to do is that don't take it into the kind of watery place. Now actually I saw a lot of guys just going to the water, like in the sea or in the rivers, just taking a phone, just clicking selfies, and when it gets slipped, then your phone gets watered, and there will be like 0% of chance that you will be getting that phone again, or you will be just saving that phone. The first thing is that only that you don't have to take your phone any kind of like watery place, like a river or sea or any kind of like in a bathroom. Now the second thing that you have to keep in mind is that if it gets wet, just take it as quickly as possible. When we just don't do that, we just think like we have just did a really big mistake, and then we just see our phone like this. Is that our phone? And then we just take it out quick, not that quickly, because that 2 to 1 second will be enough for water to get into your phone. Now if you just don't do that, then your phone will be getting a lot of water, and then through that water your phone will be damaged. So if you want to take it as quickly as possible, just take it, and then you will be having some chances that your phone will be saved. Now the third thing that you have to keep in mind is to remove everything, because if you have a removable bag that will be able to take it out the battery, then just definitely do that. And if you won't have a removable bag, then just do and have a SIM, just take it out, that SIM card, SIM tray. If you don't have, just use a pen and then just grab it in and just take out the SIM tray, because through that holes and all that, the water will be going into your phone, and if it gets into it, then there will be chances that your phone will be damaged. So just remove everything whenever you just get your phone wet. Now the fourth thing that you have to keep in mind is that don't just turn it on, right? Just as soon as possible, just turn it off, because that is the most important problem, and most of us guys just don't do that, and we just don't turn it off, right? Then we just think that we just have to check our like photos and all that, and then we just do that, and through that problem we just suffered from the phone problem. And if you want your phone to be damaged, just do that, just play games whenever it comes out of the water, and hopefully your phone will be died. But if you want your phone to be safe and secure, just turn it off as quickly as possible after removing that from the water. Then just take out everything and then move to the next step. Now the fifth thing that you have to keep in mind is to do not charge it. Yeah, because most of us guys just do that. If it does not turn on, then we just take our charger, just plug it into it, and then we just short circuit our phone, and that is the biggest problem that most of the guys faced. And then their motherboard will be just like freaking bad, and then it will be get burned, and it will be having a short circuit, and there will be a 0% of chances that your phone would be safe. So don't try to charge it. Now the next thing is the most important thing. Just don't try to charge it, just do all those things, and then just keep it into the rice, because rice will be capturing all those water, and then it will be giving your phone like all the moisture will be just absorbed by that. Or else you could just keep it into the sunlight. Now you have to think like if you just keep it into the sunlight, you would be just going up to the roof and then keeping it, so it might be dangerous for you. So if you want a safest way, just go with the rice, and you have to forget your phone for about 12 hours or 24 hours, then only you will be able to get your phone back. Now just forget your phone for 12 to 24 hours. I know that might be a really tough call for you if you are mobile addicted, but if you are not, just do it and then keep it into the rice, or just keep it in the sunlight for about, I guess in the sunlight you have to just wait for 6 hours, or I guess 2 to 3 hours, because that is like, if you are in summers, then just keep it for 3 to 4 hours. That will be a great thing. But in that, the phone heating will be there and it might be possible that if you don't have a removable back, then you just turn your phone on, then the battery will be like that much heating, and then it will be a chances of that more just damage to your phone. So just don't do that sunlight thing, just go with the rice, and then you will be safe and secure. Now you did all those things, so after all those things, just go and reboot your phone, because that is the most important step. If you won't be able to know that your phone is now available for you or not, then just do a reboot. And if it is not rebooting, then just go to a shop where you could just do something with your phone, or just throw it away, take a new phone, because there is a lot of problems with your phone. When it gets into the water, there will be chances of like water damage, or there will be chances of the motherboard problems, and there is a lot of problems that will be there. But if you just want to save your phone, just do all these things. Hopefully your phone will be saved. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and that bell icon, so that you will be getting all the notification whenever I will be uploading any video. So that's all for today. Keep watching my channel. Also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos so that I get motivation from your support. And I hope I will see you.
Make him spicy, Papa.